Oh, I'm so tired, but I'm so hungry. I don't know what to eat for breakfast. Ooh, these Oreos are so good. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, good morning, Mom.
Elsa, what are you eating?
Breakfast.
This is not a balanced meal.
Hello, I'm a nutritionist and I work at the Children's Hospital. Having a balanced diet gives your body the nutrients it needs in order to function properly. Your body needs nutrients from these food groups: protein, dairy, grains, fruits, vegetables, and seeds and nuts.
Good nutrition is one of the most important factors to living a healthy lifestyle. Combined with physical activity, your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and helps you promote your overall well-being so you don't end up like this.